Yo.
But what if Grandpa's going to snore again?
And you get scared?
You?
Why?
Because?
How does it go?
Grandma, this is a puzzle?
Mm-hmm. ¿Cómo le hace, Grandpa?
I told you. It's that a puzzle?
Yeah. Go wake up Grandpa. Hey, do you want a weenie? You gonna get a weenie? Okay, but don't get scared with Grandpa.
Huh?
Don't get mad. Don't get scared with Grandpa.
But what if he's going to snore loudly like this?
Go, and if he snores, I go with you. Okay?
He snored.
He snored. Okay, I go with you, okay?
Mm-hmm.